Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, we are back with another hair tutorial and we are customizing this beautiful Vshow natural type 4C hairline curly hair wig invisible Swiss 13x4 HD lace front wig. Now the one that I specifically have is a kinky straight texture and I have it in the 24 inches. Now in this tutorial we kept the hair pretty natural and I did the install completely glueless, so if you guys want to see how I was able to achieve that, just keep watching. Alright, so as usual, I'm giving you guys a quick unboxing so that I can show you everything that Vshow Hair sent along with this beautiful wig. Alright, so the wig did come completely secure, which I definitely do appreciate. Once again, it is the Vshow Natural Type 4C Hairline Curly Hair Wig, Invisible Lace, 13x4 HD Lace Front Wig. Now, once again, the texture that I have is a kinky straight, but they do have a water wave texture, a deep wave texture, and a kinky curly texture. However, you will still get that 4C hairline on all those different textures, and the density that I specifically have is 250%, along with 24 inches. Okay, time for the fun part. We're going to install this wig. Now I'm giving you guys a close-up of that hairline. Once again, the lace specifically is a Swiss HD lace, and you guys will see that when I actually put the wig on, look how that lace just melts into my skin color. That's how you know you have a true HD lace front wig. Alright, so right now I'm just fitting the wig to my head. I do take advantage of those combs that are inside of the wig just to get a really tight fit. Now I did install this wig completely glueless, however I did use some even adhesive spray just on the sides, like right by my sideburns, only because I didn't want like those little pieces of lace just flapping up, you know what I mean? However, the wig is still completely glueless and it actually was a really good fit. So while the lace is doing its thing, I'm gonna go ahead and take advantage of the time and get started with the hot combing portion. So you guys know that I like to use my wax stick and my hot comb around the parting because I want the top of the wig to be super flat. Now I did not run the hot comb throughout the wig, I only did basically just the very top, but later on you guys are going to see me use that hot comb on the edges as well, only because the edges were just a little bit curlier than the actual hair, and I wanted it all to blend in. So I really only used a hot comb just to blend in the edges with the rest of the hair because I didn't want to cut it. I didn't want to lay the baby hairs down. I wanted to keep it completely natural because I really wanted to show you guys what this wig is actually made for and what the intent of it is. Remember, the wig is supposed to mimic a 4C hairline, so I really wanted to showcase that. Alright, so I'm just adding some makeup on the lace just to blend it in even more, but as you guys can see, that lace melted very well. I was very happy with it, very satisfied. So I do want to talk to you guys a little bit about the hair. Now, as you guys can see, the color in itself is a 1B. It's a natural black hair color. You can get the wig in 180% density, by the way. I told you guys earlier that I have 250%, and this is in 24 inches. Also, this particular wig does come in other textures as well with that same 4C hairline, so just keep that in mind, okay? But I don't know if you guys could tell, this hair didn't tangle not once. It didn't tangle, it didn't shed, and it also had so much body. It was so voluminous, and it was very soft to the touch. As you guys can see, I'm flat ironing the wig now, and I'm showing you guys how straight you can get the wig even though it is a kinky straight texture. All right, you guys, that is it for the install. Pretty easy, right? I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of that lace, that way you can see the edges and everything, and that's literally all I did. I did add in some like 2 braids towards the front, which you guys will see in the outro videos, but that's really all it took. It was a really easy and quick install. I would definitely consider this beginner friendly. Like I said, I kept it 100% glueless, and look at that hairline, completely natural, which is the goal. All right, so I want to thank Vshow Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending me this beautiful wig. For you guys, I will have the information listed in the description box down below. Make sure you check out the description box down below because I will have the direct link to the hair that I have along with the discount code. Okay, remember, discount code, save you some coin. But thank you all for tuning in. I appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Bye.